As you may know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and at Induction Innovations, we believe in the importance of supporting and donating to charities, both locally and nationally. For the second year in a row during the month of October, we will be selling our pink Mini Nectar Venom HP. It includes all the same features and benefits of the green Venom HP you've come to know and trust. For each pink Venom sold during the month of October, we will be donating a portion of the proceeds to the American Breast Cancer Foundation to help fund life-saving research. In addition to selling the pink Venom HP, Induction Innovations team will be lacing up their gym shoes and participating in a 5K walk, benefiting breast cancer awareness. This year, we will be designing our own hoodies that we will be sporting on the course. The hoodies will also be available for purchase under our merchandise tab on our website, and a portion of each sale will be added to the overall donation total amount. For the first time this year, we will be raffling off a pink Venom HP to those who donate $25 to the American Breast Cancer Foundation. Simply make a donation in the amount of $25 or more and send us your proof of donation for entry into the raffle. Email your donation receipt to marketing@theinductor.com with the subject line Pink Donation. On Friday, November 1st, we will do the drawing to pick one winner. Induction Innovations wants to thank you for your continued support and looks forward to putting an end to this terrible disease. Thanks for tuning in.